This is my early 2000s Big Tex pipe top 16-foot utility trailer. As you can tell, it needs a lot of love. It's faded, rusted, and the wood's rotting away. In this video, we're going to take it from mild to wild. Let's get into it. The first step in our journey is to remove the old fasteners and then remove the old wood. To fight the rust, I use a combination of rust inhibitors and rust inhibiting paint. This Pour 15 combo, which you can buy off Amazon linked below, did a great job of cleaning the surface and prepping the metal. The blue bottle is a metal etching rust neutralizer, and it only works with a clean and prepped surface, which is why you need the degreaser and the help of a pressure washer. In my case, I pressure washed the trailer, sprayed it with the degreaser, and then hit it with the metal etching primer after. And you can see it starts immediately turning the rust gray, neutralizing it. I then treated the heavily rusted areas with Miracle Paint, a moisture-cured non-porous paint that bonds the rusted and corroded metals. It dries rock hard and will not chip, crack, or peel. It's also impervious to gasoline, lacquer thinner, and all salt and most acids, which makes it great for road use. But it is an absolute nightmare to use. It's thick like tar, it's a pain in the butt to use. It's expensive too, it's like 40 bucks a can. But it works great. It did its job. I'll give it that. I did all this prep work so I could utilize Raptor bedliner as a coating on the trailer. I've seen this stuff used before in a lot of applications outside of the truck bed world, and it actually works great on trailers. So if you're looking to use it for yours, linked below is the kit I used. You just take that syringe of whatever paint color you want, mix it in with the hardener, and then spray it on. It works great, and it's easy to apply. Here we're mixing up a custom color, which is one of the benefits of using Raptor liners. You can mix in whatever color you want. Here I'm color matching the trailer to the color of my Jeep. It's called Gecko Green, and it's a really bright green. It's like a sublime from back in the 60s. It's really cool.
Oh, dang. That's awesome. That's bright.
I then utilized slave labor to help me prep all the surfaces for our base coat. We use this Rust-Oleum primer here. It worked really well. We sprayed everywhere we could, went through like 6 or 8 cans, and got ready to spray the Raptor Liner. Unfortunately, the rest of my night footage got corrupted, but you can see here I went ahead and got it done. Now, painting at night obviously has its issues, one of which is visibility. I thought we were spraying enough, and turns out was not. There's also, if you're going to do this on a 16-foot trailer, I would advise buying 2 of the kits I have linked in the bio. It did a good enough job to cover the outside, but I wanted to cover the whole trailer. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough material. So I spent the next day doing touch-ups on the thin areas, and everything turned out fine. Next area of focus was painting the wheels black. You can buy black wheels obviously, but the tires on this trailer were just fine. So instead of going for new wheels and tires, I just wanted to paint the existing wheels black. Next up was replacing all the rotten wood. Luckily this is a 16-foot trailer, you could buy 16-foot boards, and it's as easy as stabbing them in. Now when you get to the middle boards, there's a little trick you can use with a jack, and you'll see here in a moment. We jack up the center of the board, making it into an arch, and then have your buddy hold the end, stab them in both ends, and then let it down. It'll spring itself right into place. It works great every time.
Quickly, now. Oh man, I almost came apart at that knot.
Pretty good?
Yeah. Robert. Yeah, buddy.
Due to this trailer spending its life outside, I went with treated lumber, and I stained it with used engine oil. It's an old trick from back in the day, and I'm telling you, it works amazing. It's super cheap. This was coming out of my engine going in the local pond anyway, so we went ahead and used it on the trailer. Once it's dried, you'd never know it was engine oil. This is the Prodigy Bluetooth wiring system for your trailer. Super easy, it's plug and play, there's no cutting or splicing required. And here's an example of the project in the field. This is the box. Your trailer wiring harness, which is right here for me, goes into the box, and then this out the front loops around because it's got extra cable and
plugs right into your car's wiring harness, and that's your installation. The unit comes with these 4 bolts for hard mounting, or you can zip tie it as a temporary solution to a trailer that doesn't have any brakes. Now when you get inside the vehicle, this is where the magic happens. So inside vehicles such as this Jeep, there are no controls for trailer brakes anywhere. But that's where this guy comes in. It just plugs into your cigarette lighter. In case mine's right here. I just plug it in, turn the key to hot. As long as I got C dot C, that means the unit's connected. So I'm going to start the truck. It's in gear, so we're ready to roll. I'm going to manually test it with that. So let's roll forward. Brake. You may not be able to feel it, but I can hear it. Almost ran over my tripod. But the brakes are working.
The next item I wanted to address was this old hitch. It's old, it's rusted, it's a pain in the butt to use, and it makes me not want to use this trailer. So instead of avoiding this headache, I went ahead and tackled it head on and had my buddy replace it for me.
Someone's replaced it before.
Huh. How about that?
How about that?
This Bulldog hitch that I got off Amazon didn't fit our trailer very well. There were some gaps on the side, but we were able to squeeze it in with some clamps and it welded on fine. It's made in China. Is it the best quality? No, but it actually worked pretty well. I've had it on there for a while now and I've had no issues. I really prefer Bulldog hitches over every other hitch on trailers, especially one like this that you use all the time. It makes using the trailer that much easier. What started as a rusty old trailer destined for the scrap heap is now something I'm proud to haul behind my Jeep. If you got an older trailer sitting around, hopefully this video gave you the confidence and ideas to bring it back to life. If you enjoyed the build, learned something new, or just like watching junk get saved, do me a favor, like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe. I've got more projects coming soon, and I'd love to have you along for the ride.